guys, Fun with Mitch here. Today I will be drying my hair with Dyson Airwrap. But before that, let me apply my daytime current skincare routine. First, I will apply toner to my face, deep hydration from Fresh. And I will apply this Lancome Multi-Lift Serum. And for my eye, I'm using Lancome Lifting Firming and Anti-Wrinkle Eye Cream. For my daily moisturizer, I'm using the Lancome Instant Melting Cream. It's for all skin types. And now let's start drying my hair. Here I am using the round volumizing brush. It's add volume and shape. To start it with, I divided my hair here, and now I'm setting and adjusting the heat. I'll start it to brush from the bottom part of my hair next to the middle all the way to the top. So please just enjoy the rest of my video.